Hello, kids. A very good morning to you all, and welcome to this new learning session. I hope you all are good and completing your work on time.
Kids, you have already learned how to subtract numbers. Do you know you can solve several word problems which are very similar to the problems which we have in our everyday life using subtraction. So, let us see some of the word problems which can be solved using subtraction. So, over here we have a word problem. It says Moodle dash 42 apples. He gives 25 apples to Foodle. How many apples he dash now? Oh, can you see there are two blanks, and for each blank there are two options. So, first you have to fill in the blanks with correct helping verb, and then we will try to solve this word problem. Okay, so tell me which helping verb is to be used here. Confused? Okay, first I will tell you the uses of has and have. Then we will come back to solve this word problem. Okay? So now I will tell you the rules to remember when to use has and when to use have in the given sentences. We will see some examples with the help of pictures, and then we will be doing some exercises based on has and have. So let's start. Has and have. They both are used to show possession, which means to show something belongs to you or someone else. Now let's see the rule when to use has. So, has is used with he, she, it, and all the singular nouns. He is used when we are talking about one boy. She is used when we are talking about one girl. Singular means that when we are talking about anything, let it be an animal, a person, or anything that is singular in number. That means one. And it we use for animals and all the non-living things. Now let's see the rule for have. We use have with I. With I, we always use have. You. When we are talking about somebody else, we use you. They. When we are talking about many people, we use they. We. When we are talking about ourselves and someone else around us, then we use we. Plural nouns. When we are talking about many people, many things, and many animals, then also we will use have. Now, let us write the rule on top and see these examples. She dash a pet cat. Let us see the rule box on top. She is there. So with she we will write has. She has a pet cat. Now let's see the next one. He dash a ball. So let's see the rule box on top. He is there. So with he we will write has. Very good. Next example. It dash 7 colors. So let's see the rule box on top. It is there. So with it we will write has. It has 7 colors. Next one. Ravi dash a red car. So Ravi is a singular noun, and with Ravi we will use has. So Ravi has a red car. Now let's focus on the uses of have. So first example is monkeys dash long tail. So monkeys are plural. Many monkeys, right? So with plural we will use have. So monkeys have long tail. Next one, I dash a younger brother. So now look at the rule box on top. I is there. So with I we will use have. I have a younger brother. Now next one is we dash a toy shop. So look at the rule box again. So we is there. So with we will use have. So we have a toy shop. Now next one, you dash long hair. So now look at the rule box. You is there. So with you we will use have. So sentence will become you have long hair. Next one, we dash a big house. Kids, I told you that with we use have. So we have a big house. Now kids, I just hope that you have understood when to use have and when to use has. So now let's get back to our word problem, okay? So Moodle dash 42 apples. So Moodle is a singular noun, okay? So with Moodle we will use has. So Moodle has 42 apples. He gives 25 apples to Foodle. How many apples he dash now? So with he we will use has. Now let's try to solve this word problem, and to find out the number of left apples, now we'll have to do subtraction. So first we will arrange both the numbers in columns in place value chart. So in number 42, how many tens are there? There are 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many ones are there? There are 2 ones, 1 and 2. Now we will start subtracting from one side. But there is a problem. We know that 2 is smaller than 5. So we cannot take away 5 from 2. We don't have enough ones on the top. So we cannot subtract 5 ones from 2 ones. So we will borrow 1 tens from tens column, and then we will regroup 1 tens into 10 ones. So now on one side we will have 12 ones. Okay. Now in tens column we will cross out 4 and write 3 in place of 4, and in ones column we will cross out 2 and write 12 in place of 2. Now we have enough ones to do our subtraction. Now let's take away 5 from 12. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many ones are left? 7. Very good. Now let's take away 2 tens from 3. 1 and 2. So how many tens are left? 1. So our answer is 17. So total number of apples left is 17. Now kids, I just hope that you have understood today's lesson. Now it's time for some homework. So here is your homework. You have to solve these sums in your maths notebook. Kids, that's all for today. Thank you.